So, hello everyone once again. This is me, same person, in and out, off and in. It's Martha Ryongan, YouTube channel, Martha Oris. So, welcome once again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I'm taking a second caption of this video because I actually realized in the first one I wasn't illustrative, and that wasn't fair to you, the viewers. It wasn't fair because you will not gain actually a lot, and it's my responsibility to make you quite understand what I am talking about. So in this video, it's going to be brief, shorter than the first one. I'm going to be illustrating exactly what my mouth was saying in the previous video. So I told you from the start, as I had explained, emails. An email is just a form of communication. It's like a letter, but an electric letter in simple terms. So I'm going to be showing you right from scratch. For the beginners, I'm going to be taking you through right from scratch to the point where I'll be telling you, let us send the email. So please, let's pay attention, and in case of anything, just hit the comment section and let me know where I went wrong for correction and where you need being elaborated for. So we are going to start. Just take a look at the screen and let's be together in this. So steps, I took you through the steps that one has to follow in order to say he or she has actually written an email. You don't just blab and be like, yo, I've written an email, yo, I'm sending you an email. It has to be an email. It has to qualify to be an email, and everything in life has rules. Just like writing a letter has rules, even an email electronically has rules. So this is what I'm going to take you through. So first of all, I said you have to choose a program for sending your email. In this case, I am going to use Google Chrome. Google Chrome is going to help me. And then when you get, your connection should be, of course, be strong. But first and foremost, for you to write an email, you yourself should have an email address, and the person you're sending an email to should have an email address, just to kill off the confusion. So once you're when you're Google and you don't already have the Google app and all that, you can just type in and be like Gmail login, something like that, or Gmail sign up. Once you get there, you just go to sign in, Google, and then fucking shit, it's asking me to sign up again. How worse can this thing just become? So okay, let's sign up. Let me sign up. Already have an account. Next, just bear with me for today. This laptop has been just something else. It's asking for a password. Password. Okay. Password. Wrong password. Okay. Waiting. Okay, we are in. Once we are in, my account is already here. So once you're logged in, you can okay, so I've been able to access my Gmail. So once you're in, this is what you have. Okay, for me, this is what I have in my Gmail. And once you're done with that, you go to this compose. Like I told you, you're composing an email. In emailic language, this is called setting up an email. So you click on compose, and this comes up like I told you earlier. So here it tells you to, this is now where I put the address of the person supposed to, the CC and the BCC I was telling you earlier. this is the person to whom you're sending this email to. So let's say I'm sending it to who. Let me send it to myself. I have 2 accounts, so let me send it to my other account. Martha Frema at gmail.com. That is it. That is a person you're sending to. Then the subject, like I had told you, this is where you explain why you're sending the email to that person. So why am I sending the email to myself? I'm sending it to myself as an illustration on an exercise. That is what I will call it for me. Yeah, illustration on exercise. Grammar, full stop. After that, I told you about the subject. That was a subject, and then you compose the body after the body, which is that. So you're going to attach any attachments. I told you come down to this icon, sorry, and that it tells you to touch your files. You click on it and bam, that pops up. When that pops up, you can go to anything, downloads, whatever, go to desktop and then go to downloads. Maybe I don't know if I can just get something I can send. Nothing. Jesus Christ, I'm as good as new. Game of Thrones, maybe not that. Documents, not documents. Camtasia, maybe any. Just get this and then drag it. So you're going to drag it there, then it downloads. It's going to download on its own. That's this small box over here. Once it's fully downloaded, once it's fully blue, then you know that your content has actually downloaded. And once you're finished doing that, I'm going to come here, close this up. Oh goodness, retry. After that is done, type in and be like something small. That came up. Just something small like that. And once you're done, you can send attachments, yes. And bam, once you're finished sending, just to be sure to affirm, you can come here, and as you can see here, to Martha Frema and illustration of the exercise. When you open it, it is actually there. So you have sent your email. You can come to send, and then yeah, these are the things you have sent and all that. So if the person replies, well and good. Yeah, I think that was it for today. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe. Please stop unsubscribing. Where there is a problem, just hit the comment section. Please just hit the comment section. Do not unsubscribe. We're supposed to grow, not ungrow, something like that. So please just like, follow, subscribe, do all those positive things. Till next time, thank you. It's been nice speaking to you, Martha. Adios.